We're still several months away from the release of the Galaxy S25, but numerous details about the upcoming flagship lineup have already surfaced. Recently, additional information regarding the camera specifications of the Galaxy S25 Ultra has been leaked. Previously, it was disclosed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature the most significant camera upgrades among the lineup. A few days ago, details emerged about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's quad-camera setup on its rear. Reports suggest it will include a 200-megapixel primary rear camera along with 350-megapixel auxiliary cameras for telephoto and ultrawide functionalities. According to ISAQES81 on X, the 50-megapixel ultrawide camera on this upcoming flagship will feature an updated version of the 1/2.76-inch ISO CELO-JN1 sensor. This sensor is slightly smaller than the 12-megapixel ultrawide sensor found in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but offers 4 times the resolution. Additionally, the telephoto camera on the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to come equipped with a 1/3-inch 50-megapixel ISO CELO sensor, which is slightly larger than the 10-megapixel sensor found in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It will be paired with a 3x optical zoom lens and is expected to feature Optical Image Stabilization (OIS). All the cameras on the phone, except for the ultrawide camera, are expected to feature Optical Image Stabilization (OIS). This inclusion aims to enhance shake resistance and improve image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Furthermore, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to retain the same 12-megapixel selfie camera on the front as seen in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. With these enhancements, it's anticipated that all rear cameras on the Galaxy S25 Ultra will support recording capabilities such as 4K at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, and 8K at 30 FPS. Ideally, Electronic Image Stabilization (EIS) will be available across all resolutions and frame rates for improved video stability. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.